Well, we didn't make it far. We got too excited trying to go have fun on a dry rotted tire. What happens? Now waiting on somebody to come get us. We can try to go find another damn tire somewhere.
We're gonna have another one.
Maybe old dude got one. Is he messing you back?
Yeah, he messaged me, said he had one. I had to just ask him if we could come get it.
You tell him he's on the side of the road right now. We need that joker
like,
we need it like now.
Road for 2 days.
Alright, we found a spare tire. We decided to look in the fucking trunk.
After 2 hours?
It's got a spare tire in it. It's just got all this daggone car audio stuff in the way. We're gonna have to move all this stuff either way to get it out. We got lucky. Found the donut tire there in the trunk. Finally got it out after moving all that crap out of the way. We was sitting there in the car talking about it, and we decided to come look, and sure enough, donut tire in the back. So now we're gonna run in the house and get my truck with my jack and stuff in the back. Come swap it out and then we'll try again.
Oh boy.
We ready to rock. We probably shouldn't go over 120 with that one. 100.
Let's see. It says speed rating.
Yeah, they ain't rated for too much, but we can give her just enough. Well, donut tire, 3 lug nuts, what, 500-600 horsepower car. What could go wrong? I mean, hell, it's just a smaller front runner, that's all.
Yeah.
Hell, some people use them, what is it, them GTO spares?
Yeah.
Yeah, we was just sitting there in my car. We was waiting on somebody he was talking to get up with us about a tire and wheel the guy was supposed to have, but we was sitting there and was like, I wonder if there's a spare in the back. And we was like, well, the dude that owns the car didn't say nothing about a spare, so probably ain't one back there, but we can go check anyhow. Come up here, looked in the back, sure enough, spare tire in the back. So we wasted all damn day running around trying to find a tire just to find one that wasn't worth a crap, and it literally blew out on us within a mile from my house. But now we got another one on it. It's a donut tire, but it's a lot better shape than the other one, so hopefully this one won't blow out on us. So we're gonna head back to my house, put a little bit of air in it, and then we're gonna try to rip down the road and back one time without the damn tire blowing out on us. Made it to the house and damn donut tire come off the bead. So we're gonna try to jack it up and get it back on there. Got the donut tire back up on the bead. Hopefully it won't fail us. 70 or 80 this time. Just in case that little donut wants to let go. Yeah, slicks don't go through mud very good. Yeah. Well, we made it further than we did a while ago. Yeah. That's what it was. RPM early, probably.
Shifting in about 4 grand.
Yeah, that's what I say. Need to run this mug out. Probably at least about 6 grand. You ain't even getting into the power range at 4,000. Better be glad I ain't driving this motherfucker. I wouldn't be giving her no slack. Seems like it's breaking up a little bit too. But he shifts it at like 4,000 RPM. Everybody riding past probably wondering what the hell is this dude sitting on the side of the road for, just standing there. Yeah, you need to let it run to at least to the red. I mean, hell, stock motor runs to 6,000. Come on now. You ain't even getting in the power range. You got to 5,000 and started pulling, then you let go, you shifted.
I'll get on it.
Yeah, it starts making power about 5,000 RPM, and then your ass shifts gears. Don't shift until 6,000, at least. You went to about 57 that time, that was better. Pulls a lot harder, don't it? I imagine it probably turned to 65 or 7,000. I think she needs some plugs and stuff like that. A little tune up on her.
Hold on.
There you go. Tune her. Control. I hear some bass.
Game right there, boy.
Yeah, that's some old 5-gate punch Z's.
Yeah.
Those some old subs, but they sound good.
Oh, yeah.
I had some one time. He's headed home, and I'm headed inside to get me something to eat. Kick back. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.